This 2D AI animation video, and I also want to let you know that you can also create it. You can use it to create different type of content. It could be humor, it could be work content, different type of content you're thinking about. In this 2026, I'll be your big sister on YouTube. I'm going to teach you how to create this 2D AI animation so that you have no excuse or excuses not to start your own content creation. In case you are shy, you can use this as a faceless type of content creation and propel your content creation making in 2026. For this 2D AI animation, I'm going to be showing you my image prompt, also my video prompt. And I'm also going to be sharing it with you. If you are interested, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'll share it with you. Just make it your own by asking ChatGPT to modify it into something that you want to use for your own type of content. You can ask ChatGPT using this type of 2D animation with the description of the character. Make her sitting down in a chair. You can ask ChatGPT, make her lying down on the bed. You can ask ChatGPT, make her in the kitchen cutting vegetables. If that's the type of content you want to use 2D animation to create, you can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to do that. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you create your story and also break it down, so that by that you can ask ChatGPT to create, using this image prompts that I'll send to you, the image characters for each of your story and also the video prompts. In order to create the image, go to Google Labs, then scroll down to where you have Flow, click on it, then click on New Project. Once it's ready, make sure it's on Create Image, and then I'll simply paste my prompt for the first image at this point. Click on the menu option. Here you can choose if you want it portrait or landscape. For the model, pick Nano Banana Pro, then leave the output at 2. So now I'll just simply click on this white arrow and it will go ahead and generate my first image for me. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are still watching till this moment. Now my first image is ready. You can see her. She's so cute. And if I'll just go ahead and click on the download button and make sure I'm downloading it in 2K. If you are not satisfied, you can regenerate, but I think at this moment I like what Flow has given to me. So I'm going to go ahead and also do the same thing to the second image. I'm going to download it in 2K. Now I'm going to bring in the second prompt, but before I'll make sure it's on create image, then click on the menu and also make sure it's on portrait, and my output is 2 and the model is Nano Banana Pro. Next, I'm going to paste in my prompt for the second image. First, before doing that, I'm going to type in generate, then paste it. Once I'm satisfied with what I have, I'm going to go ahead and click on the send button in order to generate it. But you can look through it to edit the prompts, but I think I'm satisfied with it at this point. I'm just going to click on send and it will go ahead and generate my second image for this 2D animation. Now my second image is ready and I like him. Now I'm going to click on the download button to download it in 2K. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish downloading and I'll do the same to the second image too. Now I'm going to generate the third image. I'm going to make sure it's on create image as usual. Click on the menu option and make sure that it's on portrait and Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to type in generate and then paste in my third prompt. I'm going to look through to see if I'm satisfied with what I have. Then I'm going to click on send. Now Flow will go ahead and generate the third image for me. Because this 2D animation is about the best part of Workday and I have 3 images, so I'm generating the third image. I think I like what it has generated for me, so I'm going to click on the download button and download it in 2K as usual. Your own 2D animation story can have more than 3 images depending on your type of story, and you can ask ChatGPT to actually craft a short story for you, and you can use this 2D animation to bring it to life. And for the video generation, I kind of play around with several AI video tools. The first one I used is Grok AI. I'm going to be showing you the results from Grok AI. So I'm going to be letting you determine which AI tool to use for your video generation, and In Grok AI, click on video and then click on this menu and then click to disable automatically generate video when you upload photo. Then change the aspect ratio to 19:16, which is that of TikTok. Then click on this image icon to bring in the first image I generated from Whisk AI, that is Flow. Wait for it to upload. Once it is done uploading, bring in the prompt for your video. I'm going to paste the prompt for my first video, which simply says she sits in her office chair typing on her laptop. She pauses and looks straight ahead, and in a calm Nigerian accent she asks, what is the best part of your work day? So I'm just going to wait for Grok AI to finish generating it to see if it got it right.
Paul, what is the best part of your workday?
Before I discuss that video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the image icon and bring in the boy image, the second image for my 2D story, and then I'll go ahead and paste it and also click on generate. For me, the first video from Grok is blurry. As the video zooms into the character, you can see that it becomes blurry, even her chair and her laptop. So I'm just going to wait for the next video to download. Unfortunately, the quality too is poor like that of the first one, so I'm just going to bring in the third image. I'm going to bring in the third image now, and then I'm going to paste the video prompt for the third image. I'm going to then click on send to generate it. It is now generating the third image. Let's see the result of the third image. Okay, please, if you are still watching to this point, do not forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. The third video is ready and you can see it does not look right. Let's go ahead and try the next video generator. The second video generation tool I use is Flow. So I'm also going to be showing you the results from Flow so that you can determine which one is best for you. Type Wix AI or Google FX. Then scroll down to where you have Flow, then click on it. Click on New Projects. Make sure you are on frame to video this time around and not create image. Click, choose your model, your video model. I'm just going to leave it at VEO 3.1 quality. Once I click on that one, go ahead and click on your outputs. I'm going to make sure it's 1, then I'm going to make sure that my aspect ratio is portrait. Next, I'm going to bring in my image. I'm going to bring in my first image and then I'm going to crop it. Once you are done cropping it, click on crop and save. Okay, now it's going to go ahead and upload your image for you. That's uploaded my image. All I need to do now is paste my prompt and then click on this button that says send. It will now go ahead and generate my first video for me. My video is ready now, and I can assure you that the quality is much better than that of Grok AI, and also added the words, though it did not get the Nigerian accent. So next I'm going to click on download to download my video. In the image for the second video, make sure it's on frame to video and then click on menu to also make sure it's on portrait, and my quantity is 1 and the video model is VEO 3.1 quality. Next, I'm going to click on the image icon to bring in my image for the second video. I'm just going to bring in the man's video and I'm going to crop it as usual. Once I'm done cropping it, I'm going to click on crop and save to save it. I'm going to wait for Flow to upload my image. Once it's done uploading my image, I'm going to click on paste to paste my video prompt and then click on send in order to generate my video. So it is generating the second video now. Let's just be patient to get to the end of the video so that we can see the quality of this video. Now my video is ready and you can see that the quality is top notch even when it zooms in closely. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it, and it got the Nigerian accent right for the second video. Further, I'm going to bring in the third image. I'm going to go to menu and choose all the right settings. Then I'm going to click on upload to bring in the third image that I generated from Flow. Once I upload the third image, I'm going to go ahead and crop it. Then click on save and paste the prompt for my third image. Once I paste it, I'm going to click on send to generate the third video. Now my video is generating. All I have to do is wait for it to generate. Now my video is ready. As you can see, this is much better. The cover is not lifting up like in Grok AI, and the quality is also top notch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the download button to download it, and once I'm done downloading it, I'm going to move on to the next step. And lastly, we are going to be using CapCut to bring all our stories together. In CapCut, click on new video, and then I'm just going to go ahead and bring in the videos I generated from Flow. I'm not going to use the one from Grok because I prefer the one from Flow. You can tell me which one you prefer in the comment section. Once I bring in the 3 videos I generated from Flow, I'm just going to take a quick listen. And then the next thing I'm going to do is click on text and then click on add text. Then I'm going to type, what's the best part of your work day? That will be the caption of the video. So I'm just going to type it. Once I'm done typing it, I'm going to click on style, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose from the different styles. I think I prefer this one with black writing and white transparent background. So I'm just going to extend it to the end of my video. Now I'm going to take a listen, or I'm going to see if the text is okay in the position that it is. So for this one, I can see it's not okay. So I'm going to go ahead and split the text in the areas where I feel it is not okay, so I can adjust the text in that area, or in the video, or in the videos that I think is not okay, like this woman's video. I think it is not okay, so I'm just going to adjust a bit. For Paul too, I'm just going to bring the text up a bit, and for the lady in bed, I'm going to bring it down. So now that I am satisfied, I'm going to export it. Please do not forget to subscribe.